Welcome to ChopChopChef. Today I show you how I do well done scrambled egg. So not soft, sondern really nice, a little bit of color. Yeah. So here we go. What we do is simple. We have a Teflon pan, Teflon coated pan. Yeah. Eggs and a little bit butter. For the well done eggs, we want to make sure our pan is nice and hot before we start. So while this one is heating up, we're just cracking our eggs in a bowl here. Easy done. Dang. Taking our beautiful whisk here, very nice. Give it a little bit of a stir. Okay. Okay. Now in the pan, it's not there yet. Give it a little bit more crack. Yeah. When you make sure you use like a kind of a plastic spatula in your Teflon coated pan. If you're going in with any sharp metal, you will scratch the coating off, and the Teflon, the purpose of the Teflon coated pan is gone. Alright, I can hear it already sizzling kind of in my pan. The heat comes nicely through. Yes, I put a little bit butter in still. Here we go. Let that melt nicely. Obviously don't burn the butter. Coming nicely. Yeah, a little bit more. Okay, and then I have 2 eggs. I say 2 eggs is enough for one portion. Yeah. Okay. Now this eggs we just let rest here in there a little bit. We don't stir too much at the moment. While this is sort of doing his process, we give it a little bit of a crack of salt, of the sea salt what I have. Not too much, not too much. Be careful with the salt in your egg mixture. Okay, now let's start. As soon as start, as of course it goes quick. And I always like the well done scrambled egg a little bit in big chunk pieces, right? I don't want to have it too fine. So that's why I don't use a whisk either. Yeah, so that's why I use this kind of spatula. Okay, there we go. And we add a little bit more butter. There we go. Which then reinforces obviously the coloration. Yeah, so you can see already, I turned it just around, nice brown color here. That's what we want to achieve on, say, 1/3 of this mixture. Yeah, so stir it a little bit around. Yeah, we can see already coming nicely along. See, beautiful. Yeah. Okay, and if you're very good, you can make it like this. Oh, we haven't lost anything yet. That's good. Lucky me. Yeah, a little bit more. Let's give it the other little crack. Yeah, they will take in the pan around 2-3 minutes compared to a soft scrambled egg, obviously half the time. Yeah. So that's scrambled egg well done. Yeah. You don't see any more liquid around. Yeah. So yeah, here we go. That's our well done scrambled egg. We'll just bring it over here. Now here we go. Just put it nicely on a plate. So. Okay. There we go. You can put a little bit chives over there now, not before, otherwise it burns. Yeah. And then we give the whole thing a nice cracked black pepper. And if you want, you have a little bit of oregano or chives. Yeah. You can serve this with anything you like or eat it plain. Yeah. Thank you very much for joining me on ChopChopChef. Till next time.